Hey ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to your next cast. Today I am out in Lake of the Woods, and the whole reason I'm out here is because of this 2019 spring bass fishing tournament for those that have YouTube channels. I carved out about an hour today to get out and fish. It's crazy conditions because the visibility in the water is maybe 6 to 12 inches roughly. The sun is out and shining bright, and we have like 12 to 13 mile per hour winds, which when you're in a John boat feels like 20 mile per hour winds. So it's probably a bad idea for me to be out here, quite honestly, but I'm gonna get out here and do it. Hopefully to catch a 2-pounder. I mean, that's my whole goal. Get a 2 or 3 pounder maybe. So if we can get 1 or 2 of those, I'm gonna call it a day. I can only be out here roughly an hour, so what I'm gonna do is actually let the wind drift me. That's what it's doing right now. I'm just gonna go run down into a pocket where the wind is a little bit calmer, not quite as bad, and just let myself drift out and just fish. Here we go. Let's see what we can do. Good size. Good size. Oh, snap. The wind is killing me though. Nice bass. Sorry guys, I'm trying to navigate this wind and fish, and it is proving to be a challenge today. But got this nice fish right here. All right, so in case this guy does weigh 2 pounds, let me go ahead and say 2019 Bass Spring Open Gmoneystrong Outdoors. 115. 115. Get out of here, ladies and gentlemen. I thought we had a 2-pounder. Close, close. But I think it'll help some, maybe. All right, Gmoneystrong Outdoors, there you go. 1 pound, 15 ounces. Fish. It's a fish, ladies and gentlemen. Not gonna help, but that is a bass. Ooh. Not even gonna weigh him, definitely not scoreable, but another bass. tell you, I've caught more crappie since I started doing this tournament, but look how big that crappie is. Pretty good size. Well, that's about all I'm gonna do for today. That wind is blowing me all over the place. Got it close to a 2-pounder. Hopefully that'll help us out some. But that's all for today. I might make a few more casts, but that'll do it. Till next time, I hope your next cast is your best cast. We'll catch you later.